Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to link your US bank account to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. You need to click the profile icon on the top right. You need to scroll a little bit down and here you need to choose linked banks. Then click this plus icon and on the bottom select no card ? Then click continue. And from this list, you need to find US Bank. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar on the top. So select US Bank, click continue to log in. It will ask you to log into your US Bank account and your US Bank account will be linked to your Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.